Hey everyone, Josh here, or the Hammond Caver, on this absolutely gorgeous fall day, and we have some more packages. Alright, so coming from Wisdom, we've got 2 boxes, and I have to hand it to the folks at Wisdom. They have really nice box art, they have really nice high quality packaging. Just very, very nice. So in our first box, we have a corded light. This is the KL6M corded lamp. And it's a dock charger to go with it. So, it's kind of buggy out here today. You can see all the international approvals for this light here on the box. They go through a lot to get these ratings. So anyway, we're going to unbox this and see what we got. All right, let's start first with what they call the intrinsically safe LED corded cap lamp. As stated before, it is the KL6M. Has all the international approvers. It's MSHA rated, and all the European, and you've also got South American markets as well. This is basically all what you could be in this box here, but we have the KL6M as we can see. And it does have the US charger. All right, so upon first opening, we see that we have the user guide that folds out. And we have the unit itself. So the important parts are wrapped up in bubble. And we got the cap part of the lamp here. And as you can see here, we have this really, really thick 2x12 millimeter squared cord here. It's actually a Wisdom cord rated at 5 volts. Got the cap lamp here. Mounts to your headlamp or your helmet just like this. It does have this buckle here. These little connectors here are for the charger. And it's actually very, very well engineered, very well constructed. As you can see, it actually comes from the factory with a charge. And just uses the standard Wisdom clip. And if we open up the battery pack here, as you can see here, KL6M lithium ion battery pack. It is 3.7 volts and 7,800 milliamp hours. Very compact design. All the ratings here, serial numbers laser engraved there. Goes right through your belt loop. And this is actually, you don't open this. There's nothing in here that's serviceable. So you wear this basically in a mine. It does have a protective cover here. One thing I'd like to see is a more of a frosted, or the ability to put a diffuser on, because it does have kind of a sharp spot on it, but a diffuser would really help brighten that. One thing about Wisdom is that they actually very strict about apparently there's like copyrights, a lot of people trying to clone their lights. They do make a high quality light, so I can kind of understand that people are trying to clone Wisdom. But what Wisdom has actually done is that they've developed an app that allows you to use NFC, like near field contact tap with an app, and by tapping your phone or device with the app to this area here, it'll actually tell you if you have a genuine Wisdom product or not. I think that's kind of unique. And on the other side is your on and off switch. So there we are. Just a quick look at the Wisdom LED safety cap lamp. It is the KL6M, as stated before. This is just a first look. I will be getting this into a cave very shortly. Now, I know it's intended for mining, but understand that as cavers, we also endure pretty much the same harsh environment: wet, damp, humid, tight, rocky, muddy. So we expect our lights to be able to perform without question in very, very harsh conditions. There are times where these would be subject to 100% water. With us crawling, like this cord right here needs to be able to withstand being drug across a rocky surface or chert or anything like that. So it is very, very important for these to be very durable and very reliable. And every Wisdom product that I have tested thus far has proved that. Okay, I've talked long enough about the light. Let's talk about the portable charger now that comes with it. These are also designed to be used with the huge rack. Wisdom makes rack chargers. So in here we have just a portable single charge guide. I don't need a huge rack charger that can charge 100 lamps at a time, but they do offer those, and they are very well built. I've actually seen them and I've used one before. And inside we have our single charger, and basically the lamp docks in just like this. And you have a red and green light here indicating charge. On the bottom, we have no slip grips here. Again, we have the tap to see if it's an actual Wisdom product. So it goes for their chargers as well. And here on the bottom, we have the adapter for our power cord. So, just like that, and you plug it into the wall, and you have your charger. All right, so there we go. That is the Wisdom KL6M corded lamp. We hope you enjoyed this first look video. If you liked it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Alrighty, that does conclude our video of the corded lamp. We hope you liked the video, and if you did, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and share and subscribe to our channel. We really would appreciate it. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching.